Hey, welcome to Bigelow Woodcraft. I'm Jerry today, and most days. And on the Not a Wood Miser Sawmill today, we have a white oak, and I don't know how big it is. It's very small, ugly, but I'll get a 4x4 out of it, or maybe even a 6x6. You know, I'm going to shoot for a 6x6 out of this, because I need two 6x6s. So 9, so we can get a 6-inch cat exactly. So we're going to try to make ourselves a sweet little 6x6 on this, out of this. So it's 9 inches on that big end. I do have it jacked up a little bit. It's probably 14 foot long, 13 foot, 2.5 inches. And on this measly small end, it's 8.5 inches. So if you're a new viewer to the channel, thanks for stopping by. And if you're inclined, hit the subscribe button. Crazy things happen out here. A lot of YouTube channels only show the good. I show you everything. And usually every day there's something that you need to see. I break saw blades. I trip. I walk into things. Roll logs off the mill. You guys who've been around a while know. So we have that side jacked up. We'll go from there. So this is a Frontier sawmill, OS27, very capable, but I've made it so it runs on a carriage feed. I have an up-down carriage feed, and I have an automatic or throttle switch. So it's pretty automated. What I don't have is locking log dog and a roller. So one of these days, maybe we'll build one of them. Let's get this started. I haven't fired the mill up today. I did just gas it because I see the gas cap I left off. You know, so this Not a Wood Miser Sawmill is much cheaper. I think you can get into one of these for about 5,000 bucks. The whole thing, maybe, yeah, somewhere around there. So let's get this fired up. Enough talking. 6x6 it is. Thin slice off this side, then come back to the other. We'll see what happens. You know, this actually is going to work out good. I said I was making a 6x6, and I called, or I just took a photo of it and messaged the guy. I have a friend who needs two 6x6s for a balcony build out. I guess he's got a balcony that he wants some 6x6s off the second. I don't know how high it is actually, but he said it only needs to be 10 foot. So I took a photo of this, and I think I said that was almost 13 foot. So I'm going to cut him one more. Well, every now and then you luck out. So let's just make sure. He wanted 5.5, 5.5. He was going to use store-bought, and I said, I can help you. That's exactly 5.5. Exactly. 5.5. 5.5. Ooh, boy. Nine. (11-foot 2-inch). All right, so what I'm looking to do with this log is I'm either going to turn it into 4x4s or a 6x6, just depending on the size of the cant I can get. It's 10.5, 9. So a 9, technically, I can only get a 6-inch cant, but if I leave some waning on it, I might be able to get if I get a 7 1/8, I'll make 4 3.5 4x4s out of it. Otherwise, I'll make a 6x6 out of it. This is going to be the last log on this blade. I think this is probably going to be a 6x6, guys. This does have a screw on the bottom. I'm cutting the crown off of it right now. Yep, that blade's done. We won't do any more, but they still cut nice and straight. That was a job for the tractor. Whew. All right, let's take a look at this one. I mentioned this 6x6 is for a guy who's got a balcony. It's 10. He needs 10 or 2 of them 10 foot long. So we have that one and we have this one now. How am I going to price it? Something like this, since it was a quick cut. I'm selling both of these to him for $70, just a little over $2 a board foot. I probably should be charging about $3 a board foot, but I do have some waning on it. But let's see what a 6x6 white oak post costs. Oh my. I'm kind of shocked here. So they sell these as a fireplace mantle. Let's just go to 84 inches. Uh-oh. $613 a 6x6 as a fireplace mantle. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. White oak beams and custom timber. $6 at BDF dried. 30 board feet one of these. Yeah, I think there's 30 board feet. 30 times 6, $360. No, $180 for this place. So, nevertheless, this guy's getting a heck of a deal. Darn it, I'm going to have to relook at my pricing sheet. All right, guys, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, don't forget to like it, and we'll see you out here next time at the lumberyard.